Detail world, what it do? Y'all like, what he doing? Y'all like, what? It's some stairs in front of us, man. Where the car at? But nah, today we finna do a quick cleaning of this porch right here. I'm gonna pull out the surface cleaner, so I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna clean all stairs. We got one, two, three, four stairs to clean, plus the front of the stairs, plus this little walkway. So I'm gonna clean this little walkway right here. Clean these stairs. Clean the sides of the stairs. You see how dirty it is right there. We're gonna clean the sides of the stairs, and then we also gonna pull off these We're gonna pull off these vines right here. I'm about to fall, y'all. Y'all like, well, I'm about to kill myself. But yeah, we're gonna pull off these vines for them too. And I just stuck myself with this thorn bush. Jesus Christ, that thing's sharp. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do too. So we ain't gonna be here too long. So we're gonna take off these vines off the. You see how easy it is? You just grab them and they come right off. So besides that, we're gonna take the vines off, clean this front porch, and then we also gonna come in the front right here. And they got a few vines on the front. So we're gonna also come over here and pull off these vines too. You know, I know it's gonna be some bugs over here, but I'm not really scared of bugs. You know what I mean? So thing about it, just getting opportunities, man. Like I said, I always did this type of work, but like I said, a lot of people don't really care to get it done. So, you know, and it also go with promoting. I don't promote it a lot too. So when people see me doing it, they're like, oh, I didn't know you did that, T.Y. So yeah, so I gotta start doing a little bit more promotion when it comes to my concrete cleaning and surface cleaning and stuff like that. It's kind of weird how this stuff grow on the house. In Chicago, a lot of people let this stuff grow all on their houses. This house is in Chicago that's completely covered with these vines, and it's so weird to look like it got some type of legs on it. But yeah, it actually smells good as I'm pulling. You know how fresh green smell, so it got a real cool smell. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and work on that porch first. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that porch, and I'm gonna come pull all these vines off the front. I won't be here too long. Look at the moon shining. Hold on, let me autofocus. You see the moon right there? Look, 9 something in the morning, the moon out here shining. But anyway, man, we out here in Franklin, Tennessee, a place we usually don't go. Look how beautiful that tree look. You usually don't come out here and stuff like that. We got Betsy right here. We already got the pressure washer and everything hooked up. Like I said, I'm actually doing some work for this company right here. I do a lot of work for Berkshire Hathaway, and Billy is the guy who called me out here to do the work. So like I say, I'm very appreciative of the work and the opportunities people give me. And, you know, and that's the thing about life. You gotta be willing to take different opportunities and different chances in life to see what worked for you. Because like I said, if this didn't work for me, I wouldn't even try to do it. You know what I mean? So always, man, be persistent, be consistent, be relentless in what you want to do, man. And I'm a little sad this morning. I've been crying all morning. My kid's mother just let me know her mother's not doing too well. And me and her mom was good friends, you know what I mean? She lived with us for over 10 years straight, and we grew a friendship over the years. So if everybody in the comments could just say, pray for Connie, you know what I mean? I appreciate it. I appreciate y'all. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish my work, and I'll catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We didn't finish this job, man. Y'all remember how these steaks was caked up with all the dirt and algae and stuff like that, but we got it clean, man. It came out nice. We knocked off the side right here. We removed the vines that was on the front of the building. If y'all remember, it had the vines on the front. So yeah, we removed the vines and things like that. We finna head out to the next stop, which is just 2 cars. Only got 2 cars for the day, man. Gotta pick up the kids, man. But yeah, man, like always, man, I apologize for me getting emotional at the beginning of the video, man, but you gotta understand, man, me and my kids' mother was together for 17 years, and I known their mother the whole time, you know, and I respect people, regardless to whoever, no matter, you know, how bad, if me and you fell out, me and the camera fell out, I'ma still respect the camera, you know what I mean? That's just me. I don't hold grudges. It's nothing like that. So I love her mom, and to find out that her mom on life support, like I just found out today, and that hurt my feelings that she didn't let me know this prior to, but I understand. Kid got her own life going on, I got my own life going on, we separated, things like that, so to her, probably none of my business, but Connie Walker, I love you, and I hope you recover. I hope I get to see you again, and but like I say, we out here in Franklin, Tennessee. We just finished this house right here, man. I'm about to head to my next stop. I just hit my customer up to ask was she home. She didn't say, because I was supposed to be there about 1. Thought this job was gonna take me a lot longer than what it did, which it really didn't. So I'm about to go ahead and pack up and head to my next stop. Hopefully she's home. If not, I'm gonna see if the last person's home, because they all live around each other. I'm just gonna make this day happen. I'm gonna catch you later, man. Peace. All right. I just used this Mother's Ultimate Hybrid Boost, V-Booster ceramic detail on this car. You remember what the car looked like before I did that? It had a bunch of swirl marks and haze lines in the car. If you look at the car right now, you don't see any at all, especially on this door. This door had a large amount, like right here in this area. So but yeah, it actually came out pretty good. Like I said, I barely use any of these products. I'll be so busy trying to use the products. So I keep telling myself that I was gonna do a review video of these products, but I haven't even gave myself a chance to do the review videos because I've been too busy trying to do other things. But if you see, it came out fantastic. I'm very impressed by the product. I didn't think it would have made the car look this good. And then, like I said, you see it though, how hazy it gets. It gets a little hazy, and that's when you come back and wipe it with other cloth. But like I said, I just finished this car. You know, I know I need to like I told you, just got some bad news this morning. And that kind of put a damper on my day. But like always, man, stay committed to the process. Love thyself. I mean, we all need a little love. And if you don't love thyself, figure out why you don't love yourself. You know what I mean? But always on that note, man, peace.